but it's the mental aspect that they need to really focus on.
And that's why it's very important for her to be able to perform really well, especially here in the early goings. Myla Pablo once again rising to the occasion.
Lift her team because they will look to her. Wala na si Dindin. So they will look to her as well, not only to Ruby De Leon.
At minsan, hindi lang yung ganda ng laro ang kailangan. Minsan yung pagiging vocal leader has to also come out. And Myla Pablo showing us a glimpse on how well she has played, especially in the playoffs.
Yeah.
Patay na patay yung bola rito para kay Myla Pablo. That's a two-man wall battered and shattered. Maraguinot was the leading scorer for Ateneo before Eliza Valdez made this re-entry to the active roster para sa Ateneo.
Yeah.
Humiro, ginawit yung bola. Myla Pablo attacks once again.
Yeah, she has been connecting down the line there, and you know, why not go to her?
Diyan magaling pumasa. Veterano, determinado.
Magaling period.
Tama. Magaling period. Amen.
Good block there by Myla Pablo.
Most difficult set of all. It's close-out time for them, but it's survival time para dito sa Bulldogs.
Yeah.
Sing has really played well for National University. Good solid serve once more. Pablo, good high by De Leon.
That's right, and the great set, and Pablo goes down the line once again.
Ultra fast spike brought to you by JLTT Home Ultra. The ultra fast LTE first. And then a misdirection para dito kay Myla Pablo. Tan, binigyan si Eliza. Oh, check.
Good save though.
First time ko nakitang na-block si Eliza.
Oh.
De Leon goes to Pablo. Pablo with a drop. Jesus, inangat para kay Eliza. De Leon, back set. Jesus. Tan. Eliza.
See, the rallies are getting longer.
At nawawala na rin sa pwesto ang Lady Eagles.
You know, that's really the bigger the difference if you receive better. NU has a lot of other Doria. So, kailangan talaga patient focus talaga on their reception.
So kung anong meron at wala, ngayon ay nagkaroon at nagkameron.
Yes.
Dorel Singh responsible mainly for setting the tone. Myla Pablo has been able to,
lalo na kapag hindi na-utilize katulad ng nangyayari ngayon. An important thing he mentioned in the huddle is that nakarating kayo ng finals, may karapatan kayo maglaro dito. Kaya ibigay niyo naman sana ang kailangan niyong ibigay. He also pointed out na kapag championship na, you throw everything out the window because it is the heart of the players that will matter the most.
regaining the lead. National US to hold court, play better defense. Selton once again using her quickness. Pablo using her reach to beat Maraguinot.
Yeah, that was too near the net.
Very much willing to step up to the plate para dito sa National University.
Good serve.
Patay na patay yung bola. Good cover by Singh down the line. De Leon goes to Pablo. Deflected. Pablo scores. NU ahead by 1.